Want to discover limiting beliefs that are blocking your success? Watch this video to learn 4 limiting beliefs that are blocking your prosperity. I'm Dr. Tiffany Shelton-Mariel, psychologist and owner of Conscious Life Shop. I post weekly videos on how to develop a manifestation mindset. So subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I post videos every Thursday. Sometimes it seems like unconscious beliefs or limiting beliefs have complete control over what we're able to manifest. But the truth is, once we uncover these beliefs, we have the power to overcome them. By the end of this video, you'll know the 4 most common limiting beliefs and exactly how they're blocking your success. As a psychologist with an expertise in manifestation, I've helped many clients overcome limiting beliefs and change their mindset. And I want to help you do the same. So let's jump right in. So for each one of these beliefs, I'm going to tell you what the common limiting belief is, but each one also accompanies with it a core belief. So this is a belief that we have about ourselves, others, or the world around us. And these core beliefs affect our thoughts, like these limiting beliefs. So attached to these core beliefs is like a triangle. So our core beliefs are related to our emotions and our behaviors, which affect our reality and what we're able to manifest. So it all works in a triangle. We have our thoughts, emotions, and reality. So I will show you the limiting belief, the underneath core belief, and how it's affecting what you're able to manifest. So let's just jump into the first one. The first example of one of the most common limiting beliefs about success is, it just won't happen for me. And the core belief underneath this limiting belief is, I'm broken, I'm defective, or there's something inherently wrong with me. This leads to thoughts that I'm not good enough, I have to fix myself versus accepting yourself, I'm different, I'm unlucky, and nothing goes my way. This, of course, leads to emotions of feeling out of control, feeling low self-esteem and low self-confidence. It also leads to emotions of anxiety and sadness. When you have the core belief that you're broken, it also can lead to feelings of guilt or shame. Eventually, these thoughts and emotions lead to your behaviors that align with your limiting beliefs. So you'll have actions of low self-confidence, and that'll come off in your demeanor. You won't go after opportunities, and you'll limit yourself from finding true success. Moving on to number 2. Another common example of a limiting belief that's blocking your success is, I don't have enough time, or I don't have enough money to be successful. Underneath this limiting belief is the core belief that I'm not good enough. This can lead to thoughts and feelings and behaviors that align with this limiting belief. For example, your thoughts would focus on lack rather than your abundance, and your thoughts would be focused more on the scarcity than focused on what you want. This would lead to feelings of feeling deprived, feeling sad, and really feeling out of control of your life. And when you feel like you're not enough, this leads to actions that are aligned with this belief, such as making your life not enough. So you overschedule yourself, you overbook yourself, you lack focus. So you create this life where you just really don't have time. You may overspend. It all creates these actions that sort of align with your limiting belief. So if this is making sense to you, please write manifest in the comments below. And if you have a question, please write it below. I always get to the questions and I try to write back as soon as possible. The third most common limiting belief blocking your success is, I don't feel right asking for money for my services. And the core belief underneath this limiting belief is, I'm unlovable and I'm not worthy. This can lead to thoughts like, I feel bad asking for money for services. It doesn't feel right to charge for my services. This can lead to feelings of guilt or shame and even repressed anger because you end up giving your services away for something and not getting value for them, which can lead to some sort of resentment underneath. And like I was just saying, this can lead to actions of not pricing your services accurately, giving away your services for free, and not charging what you're worth. So these are all thoughts, feelings, and actions that align with this limiting belief that you don't have the right to charge for your services. And the 4th most common limiting belief that's blocking people's success is, to be wealthy, I have to overwork myself. And the core belief underneath this limiting belief is that love is conditional or abundance is conditional. And this can lead to thoughts like, it's hard to become wealthy, I have to work myself around the clock, I'm never working hard enough to make this money. This can lead to feelings of anxiety, fear, and feeling really out of control. And the actions that align with this sort of limiting belief is running yourself into the ground and really just trying to force your manifestation versus allowing it to come into your life. So now you know the 4 most common limiting beliefs that block people's success. And if you watched my last video, you know how to overcome limiting beliefs. But you may be wondering, how do I make all this manifestation stuff practical on a daily basis? I've created a free daily routine manifestation guide that you can click in the description below that will give you daily habits to help you manifest your dreams. So I hope you're able to check it out. It's 100% free. And if you like this video, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and tell your fellow manifestors about my channel. Until next time, namaste.